Well, don't forget, this handle here can be manipulated any way you want. Like you could hollow this out and add some sisal rope if you wanted. That's pretty cool, huh? And here I have enough parts for a whole nother can crusher laid out, and I'll superimpose a photograph showing all the dimensions, and that should help you make one yourself if you're so inclined. I think it's a fun project. Routering this part can be a little bit difficult because not everybody has a router, but a lot of people have chisels. A 3/4 inch chisel would be able to make something like that. Or you can laminate a whole bunch of pieces of Luan like this 1/8 inch stuff here. Maybe 3 or 4 of them with the last piece cut out to this top shape. These little pieces that I cut out that are slightly thicker, they really add a level of mechanical precision to this whole thing that is, it's just very satisfying. As was making this and sharing it with you guys. So I hope you've enjoyed the videos. Hopefully I'll be back to kayak fishing and business updates before you know it, because there have been some updates when it comes to the business. So I'll talk about that in another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.